said. Very interesting question. Okay, I will only write the answer. Which year question for you asking? No? State level preparatory examination, February 2019. State level preparatory question paper, February 2019. What the question is? Sarala said, Lata, oh Lata, nothing grows in my garden. In my garden. Who is talking to whom? Lata. Sarala is talking to Lata, right? And tell me which kind of sentence it is? Interrogative sentence, declarative sentence, Sushti? Interrogative or declarative sentence? Sneha Nayak, which kind of sentence it is? Interrogative or declarative? Declarative sentence. Nothing grows in my garden. Who is my here? Sarala. So Sarala, he or she? See. And when you change into indirect speech, it becomes her. Okay, let's start. Sarala. Said or asked? Said or told. Remember, why said, why told? Sarala is talking, Lata is listening. When there is a listener mentioned, you should use told. Very good. Sarala said or Sarala told Lata. Sarala told Lata. That is used or not? You must use. Why? Because it is declarative sentence. Sarala told Lata that nothing. Now answer. Simple present becomes simple past. Nothing grew, grown, growing, grows. Right? Grow, grew, grown, growing, grows. Right? Fly, flew, flown. Come on. Yes. Spurti. Catch V1, V2, V3, V4, 5. Tell loud.
Catch, caught, catching, catches.
Very good. Sit down. Nothing grew in her. Who is her? Sarala. Who told Lata? Husband of Lata. In her garden. Very good. Easy question? Yes. Wonderful. Next, take another question. Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board, and it is model question paper 2021. 2021 model question paper released by Karnataka State Board. What is the question? The teacher said to the boys. The teacher said to the boys. Turn to student side. The teacher said to the boys, comma, I shall prove now that the earth moves round the sun. Sun, yes, capital. Earth, E capital. Before earth, should be used or the should be used? The. Peculiar things. Got? Okay. Now, very consciously you have to answer this one. Don't try to make it in simple past. Why? Because universal truth, habitual action, and proverb. Universal thing, habitual action, proverb will not be changed. The tense will not be changed. Tense will not be changed. Right? Without changing, you can change the helping verbs, comma and what? Double inverted comma. Double inverted, what we call? Double inverted comma. Change it. And as a homework, take, and tomorrow I will see your answer. Thank you. Take names. State license, preparatory examination. Preparatory exam 2020. What is the question? What is the question? 5. Question number 25. Wait.
Change into reported speech.
Change into reported speech. Okay. Question.
What is the game?
What is, all of you start writing. What is the game?
What are you getting at?
What
Are you
are you
getting at?
are you getting at?
Said the
Continue. Said the is there? Said the burglar
to the old lady.
to the old lady. Okay. Now don't worry. Reported speech and reporting speech is reversed. In earlier what we saw already, reporting speech will be first, like a principal said, comma, right? Headmaster said, like this. But it is reported speech is later placed. What do you have to do in such condition? Place the reported speech first. Who told this question? Who asked this question? The burglar. Okay. Indirect speech. What is the? Yes. Indirect speech. Come on. The burglar. Ask the old lady, or ask to the old lady is also correct. To is omitted here. To is unnecessary. Unnecessary means extra timing. Like I am going home. I am going to the home. It is also correct. Ask the old lady. Yes. Question. What is the game? What is the game? What to do? The question is in present tense. It is in present tense. And what the rule says of direct and indirect? If the question is present, make it past. To make it past, what we need? Is becomes was. Very good. Come on. What and WH remains the same. WH remains the same. Only helping verb. Helping verbs. When the question starts from helping verb, am, is, or, was, were, that time we should use two words or any one word. Which one? Whether or if. Now WH remains same. What the game was. Now it is declared. Full stop. Question mark. Remote. Okay. What are you getting at? What? What are you? Are becomes were. Are becomes were, and ing formation or participle remains the same. What was getting at? What is the answer? The burglar asked the old lady, or the burglar questioned the old lady what the game was, what she was getting at. What she was getting at. When she is used with that helping verb, which one comes in past continuous? Was or only was not, only was. Okay. Preparatory examination, SLC board 2020. Let's take another question.